and let's get started. Up first, we have the high knee star tap. Drive one knee up toward your chest while opening your arms wide like a star. Pop back down and switch sides. Keep that core locked in and find a steady rhythm. This move's a total body winner. It fires up your coordination, pumps up your heart rate, torches calories, and builds serious strength in your legs, core, and shoulders. 10 seconds left. Next up, the bouncing inner thigh tap. Take a wide stance, slightly past shoulder width, and get a light, controlled bounce going while tapping your inner thighs. Keep your abs tight and stay in control. This one is amazing for targeting your inner thighs, glutes, and legs, all while boosting your heart rate to help you crush those weight loss goals. 10 seconds left. Move number 3 is the double punch front leg lift. Throw 2 strong punches straight ahead, then smoothly lift one leg forward. Reset and switch to the other side. Focus on fluid movements and keep that core nice and tight. It's an awesome way to sculpt your upper body, legs, and core while leveling up your coordination and stamina. 10 seconds left.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine.
Let's move into side raise knee jabs. Drive that knee up high while throwing sharp, powerful jabs right in front of you. Then switch sides. Stand tall, stay focused, and control every single rep. This is a fantastic full body burn that shapes your shoulders, arms, abs, and legs while revving up your metabolism. 10 seconds left. Exercise number 5 is the half to full jumping jack. Start with a half jack, then seamlessly transition right into a full jumping jack. Just keep alternating between the two at a pace that feels good for you. This total body classic is perfect for boosting your cardio endurance, maximizing your calorie burn, and toning your legs, shoulders, and core. 10 seconds left. Get ready for the side to front knee up. Lift your knee out to the side, sweep it right around to the front of your chest, and bring it down. Alternate legs and focus on staying perfectly balanced. It's a super effective move for strengthening your hips, legs, and abs while improving your mobility and balance.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine.
10 seconds left.
Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action, and you started seeing.
Next up, we're doing butt kicks. Jog right in place, bringing your heels all the way up toward your glutes. Let your arms swing naturally and lock into a steady groove. Butt kicks are fantastic for building cardio endurance. strengthening your hamstrings and calves, and keeping that calorie burn high for your weight loss challenge. 10 seconds left.
I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here.
Finishing strong with switching hops. Lightly hop and switch your feet with every single landing. Stay light on the balls of your feet, keeping your pace quick and bouncy. This move is incredible for boosting your agility, coordination, and leg strength, all while giving your heart rate that extra push to burn more calories. 10 seconds left.